Right, so we have a new roof put on. I'm not affiliated with whoever put this roof on. In fact, it was done about 7-8 months ago, and they're having leaking through the flashing. The roofing company has come back and said, no, the flashing's good. We're not leaking there, so it's your problem. I mean, realistically, now we're looking at the siding, and when I come up here, you see the seam, then another seam, that's wrong, and another seam, that's wrong. So you have a seam here, 2 feet over, 2 feet over, 2 feet over, 2 feet over. Stagger your seams. When you put them in a line, it can create voids in the back paper, which is the waterproofing, depending on what it is, and that's going to have to be evaluated. We're going to have to remove some of this siding in order to find out exactly what's happening, but yeah, this is a no. Come on.